One go.
One.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, that's a big one. It could be that grouper. There you go, there you go, there you go. Come on, come on, do that 2 or 3 times.
Even if you think you need to walk this way.
Yeah, whatever you can do to gain on him.
As long as you're reeling.
Oh, oh, oh.
Come on, come on.
Oh, 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 we got a nice. It'll be up in the baby.
Don't reel anymore. Okay.
Now at this.
Reel, reel, reel.
Just that was perfect. That was perfect. All right, I see you. All right, so you're gonna come back down here towards me, okay? Keep going. Wow, wait till y'all see this monster.
He's full of shit.
No, 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 no. All right, do that one more time. Okay, now I'm gonna take the line from you this time, okay? All right.
You got your bait too.
That's a whole different level right there, isn't it?
Man, that's pretty. Look at the thing.
He's right. Oh, yeah.
Oh man, it was a nice mutton too. No, it was a nice mutton snapper. And a shark got it.
Wow.
Man, that is terrible.
I know.
Keep walking, keep walking.
I don't know what it is.
You know, the submarine?
That's what I'm saying. I feel like we got.
Oh, here it is. Y'all might want to go look at this.
Oh.
Here, I'm putting rods away so people can come look and then I'll grab it. I also want to be prepared in case it's one of his buddies are hanging out with him. You just lay that right in the floor. All right. Oh, shit. Shit.
You almost got him.
Whoa.
He's beautiful.
Come up here. Yeah, not like the other ones. We really chew on it. It's like bubble gum. It's like fish bubble gum.
This would be more like bass.
Oh, when that rod goes, better it goes down, the better it's going to be hooked. Oh, easy. All right, don't. There you go. There you go, girl. There you go. You need help? You got it. You got it. You got it. There you go. Oh. All right, so she's got the shark occupied right now, so it's all you. No, he's fighting. All right, there you go. Oh, you're good. Okay, cool.
Unless you want to take a picture, you can. I still have to vent him. So you've got a couple seconds here while I do that. Don't be so angry.
There you go. Tell me when you're getting bites, I'll let you know.
Yeah, I got one.
Okay, he'll really boom, breathe. There you go, let the air out. Pull
Just
up.
watch that lead down.
Come on, girl, you got it. Yep.
We could just let somebody out.
I see him. Keep going. You're doing good. Oh boy, don't lose him now.
Yeah, that's fine. That's perfect. And then do you want a picture of him before I drop him in?
Yep.
You want to try to get a selfie?
It's a red snapper. No, I thought you had good. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Oh, big.
I know, that was big.
And that was all you, girl.
Shake it.
Oh my god.
What you got? Oh my gosh.
The biggest one of the day.
Yeah. That's a picture for you, G.
You feeling bumpy yet?
Oh, he's bumping.
Okay.
I just hadn't had that
Yep, he'll get it. He'll get it. He's like, ooh, I like that. All right, hold that rod just out right there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. All right.
See his face right here where it's all scratched up?
Yeah.
That's him trying to rub into a rock, trying to break
All
you
right,
off.
Steve-O's got it.
There you go.
Here you go. Here you go, babe.
There you go. Yep. You're doing good. There you go. You're doing good. You're doing good.
Yeah. Keep going. Lift up. That's that thing.
Damn it. You got eaten?
Yeah, my left arm is fried. Oh man, this brings me great pleasure.